So this is a Atherton heritage raspberry. So it's just coming into peak performance now. So it's a floricane, so it produces berries on its first year's growth. So it's one you've got to trim each year to get the new growth, so you get lovely, lovely berries. So you can see this one here has easily a couple of hundred berries on it. Everywhere you can see it berrying. This is another new growth here that's just coming to flower. They look like little rosebuds. We pick every day from this bush. It is a very prickly one, as you can see here. It's not as prickly as a blackberry, but it's not far from it. They're quite grabby little plants, but you get a lot of berries for your buck. And they're always better to pick after the sun's been on the fruit in the morning and the dew's dried. It gives them lovely flavour. Very mild raspberry, but yeah, very, very good. And then the progress on the garden beds is coming along nicely. You can see I've got 3 more keyholes to install and 2 completed new keyholes, as well as the ones we already have growing. So yes, this is the Atherton raspberry, or the heritage raspberry. Not fussy about soil, will grow in part shade to full sun. It does like a little bit of shade here in the tropics. It does like moist feet but not wet, because we got the garden floods up here. I do have that in a pot. They do throw suckers outside the pot. I don't know if we can see the pot in there. Somewhere in there there's a pot. So yeah, they will throw suckers in the ground, so you just knock them off or transplant them. But yeah, so this is a lovely Atherton raspberry.